Hi, today I'm going to show you how to use the Sora app on a tablet or phone to read ebooks or audiobooks. I'm using a school iPad, but you can also use this on your personal device. It works for both Apple and Android devices. On a school iPad, if Sora is not already downloaded, you can go to this app here, Self-Service, and that has all the school apps on it. You can download it from there. Just scroll down a little bit. And there it is right there. But I have already installed it. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up. If you need to install it on your personal device, it's a free download from the App Store. Hopefully it will already have sensed that your school is KDISD, but it's possible that this list comes up. And if it does, just pick KDISD on Katyland Drive. Select your school, it's KDISD, and sign in. It's going to take you to this login page. Sorry, it's refocusing itself. And you're going to log in with My Katy. And this, you're going to use your school email, which is your username at students.kdisd.org. Mine is a little different because I'm a teacher. And I'm going to move this down really quick so you can't see my password. All right. Once you sign in, it's probably not going to ask you if you want to sign in as a teacher. It's going to ask you if you want to sign in as a student, so you're going to want to do that. And then here you are. You immediately can see all the books that you have checked out when you go to the home page. You can scroll down and you can see books that recommended for you. If you go to Explore, this is where you're going to see all the books that are available. You can search by subject. You can see new ebooks and new audiobooks that I've added to the library lately, and the most popular books. Okay, or you can always go up here to the magnifying glass and type in what you're looking for. Down here on shelf, this are all the books you have checked out. Plus, you can see books that you have on hold. You can see if you've made any lists, and you can see the history of books that you have checked out. And then finally, under me, this has some statistics and some badges that you have achieved. On the three little lines at the corner, here's where you can add a public library. Remember, Sora can have both the school and the public library. So if you have a public library account, you just click Add a Library, and you can add your public library account here. And then also there's some settings. And here, if you're on a school iPad, you're always going to want to sign out when you're done. If you're on your personal iPad, then you can stay signed in. Remember, Sora is a free download from your App Store, and I hope you enjoy.